Cebu City, known as the Queen of the South, is a major urban center in the Philippines. It is historically significant as the first Spanish settlement in the country, and is home to landmarks like Magellan's Cross and the Basilica Minor de Santo Niño. The city has a diverse economy, including IT, tourism, shipping, and business outsourcing. It is a popular tourist destination, hosting the vibrant Sinulog Festival and offering a mix of historical sites and natural attractions. Bohol, an island province in the Philippines, Central Visayas region, is renowned for its natural beauty, highlighted the iconic Chocolate Hills and the unique Philippine Tarsier. The province boasts lush forests, pristine beaches, and diverse marine life, making it a popular destination for ecotourism. In addition to its natural attractions, Bohol features historical and cultural sites like Baclayon Church and the Blood Compact Shrine, with a thriving tourism industry offering activities such as island hopping and diving. Bohol is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a blend of nature, culture, and adventure in the Philippines.
In the house with the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole road party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Info Bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, so shake it up and do some like no more drama. And check, we're gonna choose Philippines, no one other. Though we'll keep stopping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, pieces of heaven.